What's up, guys? J-Nils here. Welcome to the Aries Moto with the old man right there. And just want to show you today. We already show you how this works and the 5 reasons why you shouldn't buy this engine. Period. And today we are actually replacing. See if that can focus right there. Part number: rear main seal. 2.4 crappy Ecotec engine. The old man's gonna replace that seal because at the bottom it's leaky a little bit. It's not too much, but still, when you have it outside already, why not, you know, prevent the future failure.
17 more. Dry, no leak. Okay, anyway, if I open, I put new one. Better I put new one.
Do you have the old seal?
That's a new seal.
No, I know, but do you have the old from the old engine?
Oh, no, I don't have.
You throw it away?
I give the guy. If you change the sealer, if you or not with this, you
Damage the edge.
On this, that's why you need go down.
From top to down.
Down to make open that. You see, like this open.
Yep.
I'm gonna take the
You put it there, near the stand.
Oh, you see, you make like this. Look like this. There's a no make damage.
Small crowbar there.
Yeah.
Yes. It's not easy.
Fuck, that seal is good, eh? But you got a new one, put it.
If you make the damage, that's a big problem. Leak. Okay. Very hard to go. See, maybe go this like.
Oh, that's better.
See, that's dry, no leak. That's a good.
No, it's a good one.
Inside everything is okay.
Oh, yeah.
And now
Look
it's
at the
leaking.
bad oil. Look, that's a good. That's a good engine. Maybe not take out oil.
Usually they drain the oil, eh? Bring it here. But
Wind. Wind.
cold night like that. Crazy.
Somebody put the lock tight and somebody put the silicone, you see? That's a for...
inside I put the grease. See what's inside, put the grease.
It's a lithium grease.
Yes, you need put the grease. So, you need to take a small screwdriver. See, that's a put inside. See that? That's a put inside. Be careful.
Not to puncture the rubber.
Cut. Too much inside. Now you need more inside. Take some to that's it. That's finish.
Seal is inside.
Very clean. That's it.
Look, no damage, nothing.
No, that's
Alrighty, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
and you put the
Yeah, but
that's a how question mark on this question mark and put you see that question and you need put the Loctite
the blue one.
go to blue one.
Yeah, I know. Well, that's okay. That's for video for another day. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next video.